How to turn off Facebook likes and comments. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can disable likes and comments on your Facebook post. Now if you open up the app and log into your ID and tap on the profile icon on the top left corner of your screen, you'll head into your profile, and if you scroll down below you'll be able to see your timeline and all your posts. Now on Facebook you can't particularly disable likes and comments because if you set the post to be seen or to be seen by public, then you can't potentially turn off commenting for it. All you can do is set the post to private and no one will be able to see except for you. However, what you can do is head over to the post. Now suppose this is the post that I just shared, you can see right here. Now this is the post that I just shared, you can see. Tap on the three dots option above the post and you can see the option who can comment on your post. Now tap on it and here you can choose only your friends to be able to comment on it, or you can choose profiles and pages you mentioned here. Now if you don't want any comments or likes, then what you can do is tap on the option three dots and then tap on edit privacy, and here you can set it to only me and only you will be able to view the post. No one else will be able to view the video, and once they can't see, they won't be able to like and comment. So this is the only way you can disable likes and comments on Facebook post. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.